In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change WhatsApp status text on WhatsApp web. We'll walk through it on a desktop, keeping things simple, clear, and quick, so you can share an update without picking up your phone for typing. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for WhatsApp web. Click the official result that takes you to web.whatsapp.com. I recommend bookmarking this page if you plan to use it regularly so you can return in one click. On the WhatsApp web screen, you'll see a QR code. To log in, open WhatsApp on your phone, go to the Linked Devices section, and scan the code with your phone's camera. Hold the phone steady and make sure your screen brightness is high enough for the code to be recognized. If the option to log in with your phone number is available in your region, you can follow the on-screen prompts to enter your number and confirm. But scanning is usually the fastest. Keep both your phone and computer connected to the internet for a smooth experience. Once you're logged in, you'll see your chat list on the left. Look toward the top left panel for the status icon, which appears as a broken circle. Click it to open the status area. Next to My Status, click the plus icon. This opens your options for creating a new update. Choose Text to bring up the text editor designed for simple, quick posts. Type your message in the text box. Keep in mind that status updates are visible for 24 hours, so aim for something timely and clear. Avoid sharing any sensitive or private information. If you already drafted something elsewhere, you can paste it here. To personalize your post, change the background color or the font style. Use the color palette to cycle through backgrounds and pick one that contrasts well with your text for readability. Then switch fonts to match the tone, whether you want something clean, playful, or bold. Preview as you go to ensure everything is legible on a variety of screens. If you'd like to add personality, click the emoji icon to insert emojis or stickers. Pick a few that reinforce your message without overwhelming it. Emojis can help convey tone, especially for short updates. When you're happy with how it looks, click the Send or Share button to publish your status. Your contacts will be able to view it for the next 24 hours based on your privacy settings. If at any point you need to adjust who can see your updates, you can do that from the status privacy options. And that's it. Your WhatsApp text status is live on WhatsApp web.